In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 30-minute binary options expiry indicator. That's coming up next. Hi guys, welcome to binaryoptions.net.au. My name is Chris Morton, and in this video I'm showing you our new binary options indicator that works only on 30-minute expiries. So let's run through it. So first, I'd just like to go through the pros and cons of the indicator. So the good things about the indicator is it's targeted for 30-minute option expiries. This is the only options you should be using with this indicator. It has a proven win rate of over 75% and higher. It works on all MetaTrader platforms, also on all operating systems being Mac and PC, and it's free for all binaryoptions.net.au members. So if you're not a member, simply click here and you'll be able to join my site. It's free, and once you've joined, you'll be able to download the indicator. So some cons are that you have to use MetaTrader 4 to use the indicator. It's a custom indicator that you apply to the indicator library and then attach it to each chart. So then you must have a bit of an understanding of how to use MetaTrader itself, and then you're going to need an understanding of how to use the indicator, which is what I'm explaining in this tutorial. So some key details about the indicator. So when you download it, it'll be a file name called binaryoptions.net.au-30minute-expiry.mq4, and you place this in your indicator folder on the actual MetaTrader platform that you have installed. I have some other videos and instructions on the website on how to do this if you're not familiar with installing a custom indicator. So it's to be used on the 30-minute expiries only, and only on high, low, or option builder option types. So it's not for 60 seconds. It's not for ladder betting or any other sort of option types. Just for high, low, and the only assets it's for is for forex, and it's better on forexes in high volatile time zones, and also when certain currency markets overlap. That's when it's best to use it, because you're going to get clear breakouts. So the accuracy, like I mentioned before, is over 75%, and the strategy that the indicator uses is based on a breakouts strategy. So some recommended binary option brokers to place your trades are, I've broken this into various software platforms depending on which platform you like to use, and also I've marked there whether they are regulated and also if they accept US residents. So you can either click to see actual broker video reviews I've done, or you can click to our website and actually find out more information there and then go on to join a broker. So you're going to also need to download MetaTrader 4, and so these are some different forex brokers that offer MetaTrader 4. Binary option brokers don't offer MetaTrader 4. You're going to have to actually download MetaTrader 4 from an actual forex broker. Most of them, if not all, offer demo accounts. Some of them will be like a 30-day demo account. Other ones are lifetime demo accounts. So they are broken into brokers that offer it for PCs and for Mac. So moving on, this is how you are going to use the indicator. So I'll just run through just basically explaining it, and then I'll show you an actual diagram, then some examples via the chart. So the indicator is to be applied on the 5-minute chart only. The indicator shows a green arrow or a red arrow. A green arrow means you're buying call options, and red arrow means you're buying put options. The arrow appears after a candle is closing, but in the place of the next candle. So if you're looking at the chart and see an arrow, it refers to the previous candle. After the arrow appears, wait for the next 5 minutes candle to close. So placing the trade. If the arrow is green, you should look at two candles, the previous candle and the candle where the arrow is. So for a call trade, if the first candle is green or bullish and the second candle where the green arrow is under is red, bearish, then place a call trade. If the sequence is, if both of the candles are green or bullish, it means it's a fake breakout and you should not trade this. Avoid the trade and skip it. So here is a call example. So when a green arrow appears, basically you'll look for the previous candle and for that color to be green, and once when the arrow appears on the current candle, once that has closed and it's red, you're ready to place your call. So you want to place the option call at the close of the second candle and the opening of the third candle, and that's your strike price. That's where you're getting into the market. So if we move on, remember on the 5-minute chart here, so each candle where I've highlighted in a grey box is 5-minute candlesticks, and you'll see here that we've placed the trade here on the third candle where the strike price is, and then on the closing of the last candle here, which is the 30-minute mark, we've actually ended in the money. Our option has expired above the strike price, so that is actually a winner. So that's how you place a call trade. So for a put trade, it's pretty much just the reverse. If the first candle is red, bearish, and the second candle where the red arrow is over is green or bullish, then place the put trade. If both the candles are red or bearish, it means it's a fake breakout and you should avoid that trade, so skip it. So for a put example, you'll see that a red arrow has formed, and then so we look at the previous candle to that where that arrow is, and that's red, and then at the closing of where the arrow is, if that's green, then we actually place our trade on the next candle. So we place the put option at the close of the second candle and the opening of the third candle, and that creates our strike price where we've got into the market. So moving on, we can see where I've highlighted it with the grey box. That's our 30-minute time, where each candle represents 5 minutes. So in total, it's 30 minutes. And you'll see that we've got in up here at the strike price, and it's closed here where the blue line is. So we're in the money as the option has expired below the strike price as we put in a put option. Okay, so here we go. We got a red arrow here, and it's above a green candle here. So in a live real-time example, you wouldn't have all these other arrows, all these other candles ahead of us. We'd be basically, this green candle would have just be ready to close out. So you'll see here that this long red one is the first candle in the sequence, and then you'll see here that we've got a green candle here. So we're looking to get in at the close of this candle and at the opening of the third candle. So our strike price will be at the top of this green candle here. So we're actually putting an actual call in our broker. I'll just put in an arrow right here. That's where we're actually putting our put option. So as we're putting in 30-minute options, let's see how we would have gone if we were using this real time. So as each candle represents 5 minutes, we're looking for 6 candles. So here's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes. So on this candle here, you can see it's finished below the strike price. So we'll just put in another indication here. So right here is where we've ended up at the bottom of this sixth candle, and that's well in the money. As an option, if at the expiration date the option actually expires out of the money, we suggest that to double your trade size on the next 30-minute expiration and take another respective call or put option. So this just means that if the market is going in the direction that we want, but we haven't quite expired in the money, quite landed in the money, we suggest to double up your trade size. So if you were trading $100 calls, then we suggest placing a $200 call. So that's going to cover your actual first loss, but you win on the second, and you've actually then have a winning profit. We recommend only doing this up to 3 levels. It's very rarely that you will need to go further than that to recoup any particular out of the money losses in this breakout sequence. So if you have any questions about the 30-minute indicator, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have used the indicator and was it easy to install? Is it actually easy to use, and have I explained this correctly? If you have any questions, please comment below this video. So thanks for watching our 30-minute indicator tutorial. Please visit our website for more tutorials. We also have a binary options course and ebook. We also have a forex trading course. And if this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and Google Plus page. This is going to keep you in the loop when I upload a new video. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.